Do you want to make money online? I'm going to cover 7 ways that you could start making money online today. And we're going to have them ranked out by how fast you could make money and how easy you could do it. Let's check it out. So we all know that last year was crazy, but one of the amazing things that happened was a huge rise and increase in people wanting to make money online. Whether it was as a side hustle or as a new full-time job, a lot of people are seeking and trying to ask, how can I start making money on this cool thing that Al Gore invented called the internet? Well, we actually wrote a blog article here at ClickBank that covers 17 different ways that you could start making money online and rank them out based on how fast you could start making money, how easy you could start making money, and the resources it takes to get started. To read the article, you just need to click the link in the description below and it'll take you to the article where you can get all the details you need with links that'll set you up in this amazing blog post that we have. So let's jump into it right now with my personal favorite and what I think is the best way for you to make money online. And normally we say that for the end, but I'm gonna give it to you right away, which is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is essentially you are a person and you're gonna go out and find other people that have products and sell them to consumers across various different ways for a commission percentage. So essentially a percentage of that sale. This has been around for a really long time. Really existed even before the internet, but became really popular with the internet. And it's really flexible. There's a lot of different ways to do it, and you get the largest amount of payouts with affiliate marketing. Plus with amazing tools like ClickBank that make it really, really easy to get started and be successful. I think this is the #1 best way if you want to start a side hustle and eventually growing that into a career. Affiliate marketing offers the most flexibility and ways for you to succeed. #2 is selling physical products, or essentially we'll call it physical arbitrage. So this is where you're going to go out and find products that you're distressed or maybe not valued in certain areas, and then go to other areas where they are really valued. For example, in our area, Subarus don't tend to be as popular as they are in Seattle. So oftentimes people actually buy cars here, Subaru cars, and then go sell them in Seattle normally for about $3 to $5 grand more. Within that margin is where they make money and just continue to push that volume. Obviously, sometimes that requires a lot of upfront costs that you have to float and making sure you get those margins, but a very effective one to get started on. Next, #3, is essentially selling your art. So if you're a creative person, you're doing something really cool, something I can't do, this is a great way to do that, right? If you have a creative medium, whether it's sculpting, whether it's music, whether it's painting, selling that through Etsy, other online forums, you can even create a Shopify store direct to consumer, or a really effective way if you're kind of worried about, hey, are people gonna like my art? Maybe it's hard to find those audiences. Maybe you make weird stuff that only a very small segment of people like. You could also sell your art to, say, stock art companies. So whether it's drawings, whether it's stock photos, they're always looking for generic new things to do. You could really funnel in some money that way, quickly and easily, if you have that skill set. But you kind of have to be artistic to make that happen. So if you're not, and you're like me, you might go on to #4, which is becoming a freelancer. So if you have some sort of skill that people need, whether it's building websites, whether it's translating services, whether it's just any highly specialized skill that people want, going on Fiverr and offering that to individuals is a great, quick, and easy way to start making money. Some of the challenge there, though, is you have to have a skill that people want. And if you don't have that, or there's a bunch of people that could do the same thing, sometimes that could be a little bit challenging. #5 is renting out your stuff. So whether it's Tom Haverford doing Rent-A-Swag, or if it's you deciding to rent out your property with VRBO, or things like that, Airbnb, there's lots of opportunities for you to be able to go through and rent out the things you have. If you want more details on what those websites would be, you actually want to go to the blog post where we cover that in detail and give you the links to be able to start renting your stuff. #6 is teach. For those that can't do, they teach, and teaching can be very profitable. Not necessarily as a teacher, which they probably should get paid more, but as somebody that's going to be a tutor and teaching people that have the money and the funds to get extra support. They range from $30 to $50 an hour, and sometimes even upwards of $150 an hour. Now you have to have knowledge and the ability to teach other people that knowledge to be able to do that, but a really effective way, and there's a lot of online tools to get your name out there and to get those jobs. The 7th one and the final one that we have that we're going to be covering today is invest your money. We have so many more tools and access to be able to invest, whether it's in Dogecoin, whether it's in NFTs, whether it's in all sorts of collectibles, or even in the stock markets. If you're going on Reddit and deciding to buy a bunch of distressed stocks and things like that. The one thing there though, incredibly risky, right? You have to be very careful. If you want to get a lot of money off high risk or high margin investments, you also could potentially lose a lot of money. Ask a lot of people that are invested in cryptocurrency right now versus where they were maybe a couple months ago. So still very effective and a great way to jump in and start making money right now. Now, we did not cover everything today. In fact, we have a blog article that's going to give you 10 more ways to make money online and continue to rake them out by exactly what we talked about: speed, resources, and ease for making money online, as well as details we're going to cover today. So definitely click in the description below for that blog article to find out how you could start making money online today and going forward. Thanks so much. Have a good one.